Now the next one we need to download is a document management module, which is called PD Downloads. There's a link to that in the resources document. So just come here and just click download now. Now this file is in .rar format. So you're going to have to download a special program to unzip it. Extract this. Just click that. Then click OK down here. And it will extract it for you. And you'll see here that it's extracted now. And now we go and we upload this to our server. Again, we go back to Smart FTP and then go inside PD Downloads and then grab this and pull it down into the queue. Make sure that you're within modules over on this side and then just drag this up into here and that will upload. And then you'll see that it's ready to install down here, so just click there. And it says press the button to install the module, so go ahead and do that. And then it does all its thing here. And it should tell you that it installs successfully, and then go back to the admin page.